Hi viewers, in this video I'm going to talk about how to add keyboard shortcuts. So, you will be able to do things like volume up and down, open apps, browsing, and so on. Okay, so let's begin the video. First open up the Chrome browser, then search Auto Hotkeys and press Enter. Now open the first website and click on the download button to download it. I am using IDM to download it. You can also get IDM for free by watching this video on how to install IDM for free. After downloading it, just install it. Press OK and click on the Express installation. After installation, close the window. Now we have to create a script to add shortcuts. Now create a folder in C drive and give it a name. Then open the folder and now create a new Auto Hotkeys script. Give it a name as well. Now right-click on the script and click on Edit Script. Now delete all the text. Now it's time to add our keyboard shortcuts. Before that, I want to show you something on the Auto Hotkeys website. If you want to add shortcuts by yourself, you need to understand how Auto Hotkeys scripts work, or you can just use my preferred shortcuts. Open the website of Auto Hotkeys and scroll down a little bit. On Keybinds section, click on Learn More. Here you can see there are all keybinds you need. I'm using Control and Alt key, caret symbol for Control and exclamation mark for Alt key. Now let's get back to our tutorial. Remember caret for Control and exclamation mark for Alt key. I want to make F1 for media previous. And F2 for pause and play. F3 for media next. F4 for browser home. F5 for browser search. F6 for browser back. F7 for browser forward. F8 for browser refresh. And the main purpose of making this video is volume up and down keys, so for volume up I'm going to use F9. And for volume down F10. And F11 for mute key. Now is the final and my favorite shortcut, which is Open Apps by Shortcuts. I used to open Calculator with this shortcut. For that we need to add calculator.exe file directory to this script. Now first open C drive, then open Windows folder. Then open System32 folder. Now find calc.exe file. Now first copy the file directory and paste it in the script. Then type / and calc.exe. Save your work by pressing Ctrl S. Or just save it from the file navigation options. Now open up the folder where we created our auto hotkeys script. Close the Notepad. And copy the script. Open Run menu by pressing Windows R, then type shell:\startup and click on OK. Now paste the copied file as a shortcut. By doing this, the script will automatically run every time you boot your PC. Don't worry, this script is not heavy, it won't slow down your PC. You need to run the script manually for the first time by double-clicking on it, or just right-click on it and click on Run the script. Now let's test out the auto hotkeys shortcuts. Let's play a music video to test media shortcuts. F2 for pause and play. F1 and F2 are for previous and next, but it sometimes works as fast forward and rewind keys. Basically, it works differently on different media players. Now let's test out the browsing shortcuts. F4 for home, it's working. F5 for search, it's also working. F6 and F7 for back and forward. And F8 for refresh a page. F9 for volume up, and F10 for volume down, and F11 for mute. F12 for open up an app. I chose calculator for this shortcut. Hopefully all shortcuts are working correctly. Like this video if it's useful, and also leave a comment on what kind of videos should I upload on my channel.